Okay, so we're going to be installing the IOTA DLS 30 amp converter in this old camp trailer we bought. It doesn't have one already. The whole purpose of these is to, when you're plugged into AC power, the converter will charge your battery, your DC battery. I also bought a little smart charger to go with it. It's called the IQ smart charger. That way when you have power going to the converter and the converter is tied into your battery, this smart charger will trickle charge every 7 days even if the battery's fully charged. So I'm going to be installing this charger up underneath the sink here. It needs to be in a clean spot where you don't have a lot of dust. So I try to dust this out as good as I can. It's an old camp trailer we just purchased, so we need to do a lot of cleaning up, but I wanted to get this going. So for right now, I'm going to mount this under the sink, and behind it is the exterior box where the DC battery goes. So I'm going to drill some holes and run the wire into the box and mount this charger. Okay, so put a fastener in there and I got my wires coming through. So now I want to mount the box. Probably do it about right there. I'm just going to... Okay, and here is how it was installed. There you see your positive, your negative, and your ground going through into the battery box. There's the controller hanging on the wall. And down here is a smart charger that's mounted right next to it. And then I had to run an extension cord up into an outlet. And that's really it. So now I'll go connect it to the battery. Okay, so as you can see back in here, had the ground wire. Mounted it to the grounding bar right there. Positive to the positive terminal, negative to the negative terminal. Hooked up my I don't know what my fuse bar. Got that hooked into the battery. So far I went inside and the 12 volts all working inside. So now I'm just going to turn the breaker back on the main power. Alright, so I had shut my 30 amp, my main power off. So I'm going to turn my 30 amp back on. And hopefully all is well inside with the converter. Okay, there it is, all plugged in. Got the power coming in and the converter charging the battery. Looks like everything's good. So it's that simple.